paya zuakate Sakira lovia komikoloba Bobo Lukano kimosala
Zuani, Nabala, Mbongo. The Zuani that I married with my own money is the song that I'm translating. It's an OK jazz song, 1964-1965, Franco Luambo Makiadi, and of course Vicky Longomba. And it's a very interesting song, this one, because there's a man that is complaining that the wife is mistreating him. So I want to tell you exactly what it is that is happening in the song Zuani, Nabala, Mbongo.
Zuani, Nabala, Mbongo.
Zuani, Nabala, Mbongo, Anyoko Lokongai. Zuani that I married and even used my money to pay dowry. You know, she mistreats me. Akokendezando lokola akeimo sala. You know, when she goes to the market, it's as if she has gone for work. That means that she takes a very long time at the market. Ngai na banana ndakonzala. And so me and my children, we are in the house hungry. Soki azongi na lingi koloba adongolo kongai. And you know, when she comes back, if I try to talk, she, you know, just ignores me. She just looks at me, you know, with that kind of attitude. Akolinga kaka toswana atangela ngai bamakango nae. And you know, she really likes that we engage in a quarrel so that she can count the number of men that she dates, you know. Soki na bandio ngai na bandaka. And if I start something with you, I usually start, yeah. Babokilo botala. So my parents know, please look at me, please watch out. Zuani utangana bima na boloko. Zuani, from the time that I was released from jail. Abanga kangaite. She does not fear me. She does not respect me. Akolinga kaka asala makambo mpo ezuanga. You know, she likes to do certain things so that I can actually be annoyed. Soki na lobi akomi kosilika. And if I talk, she really gets very, very, very angry. Alobito boyana. She says we should actually separate, part ways. Lokola nasala kate is because of the fact that I do not work. Akolinga kaka ale isangana bambongo naibi epaya zuakate. And you know, so she wants to feed me using money whose sources I do not know. I don't know where she gets her money, the one that she feeds me with. Soki na lobi akomiko loba luka no kimosala. And if I try to say anything, she'll tell me to look for work urgently. That's Franco Luambo Makiadi. Likambo ya Zuani nanga botika koloba nanga. You know, this issue between me and Zuani, please do not talk to me about it. Likambo likambo ya Zuani nanga ekanginga e matoi na lingi koyokate. You know, I have this issue between me and Zuani. I have closed my ears. I do not want to hear anything about it.
Likambo ya mwasi na yo topekisa ekala yo kakate o.
Likambo ya mwasi na yo topekisa kie kala ayo kakate. And now Vicky Longomba says that this issue of your wife, we stopped her a long time ago, but she does not hear. So these are now the parents of the wife to this guy that are saying that they have also tried their part. Nokio kolobake biso babokilo mabe. And very soon we'll start saying that your parents-in-law, that us, your parents-in-law, are bad.
Bokilo na boy, bozongisanga mbongo na lingite o.
Bokilo na boy, bozongisanga mbongo na lingite. And you know, the guy says, my parents-in-law, please return my dowry, my money. I do not want this relationship anymore.
Bolakisa mwana na yo, mabe akosalaka bobo yao.
Bolakisa mwana na yo, mabe akosalaka oya. You know, you are the ones that taught her the bad manners, the bad things that she does.
Likambo ya mwasi na yo, tokokinde koloba po biso babokilo.
Likambo ya mwasi na yo tokikoloba te mpo biso babokilo. And not this issue of your wife, we cannot talk about because we are your parents-in-law.
Soki likwela lo, toki tokozala na soni ongo.
Soki likwela yo lobi tokosala na soni. And you know, if anything happens to you, we are the ones that are going to be ashamed.
Na boy, libala na Zuani tozonga na o.
Na boy, libala ya ngai na Zuani tozongana. And I refuse, I don't want this marriage. I no longer want this marriage between myself and Zuani. I don't want us to come back together.
Atika
ngai nanzala, you know, she leaves me hungry.
Lokina
kufa and I'll die.
Bokilo la date, nyaso yokoloba na go.
Bokilo na landate nyoso okoloba na ngai. And you know, in law, I'm not going to follow everything that you're going to tell me.
Na azali na kanda, na lingi bozonga na bobo.
Naebi ozali na kanda na lingi bozongana. I know that you are very annoyed, but I really want you to come back together. I know that you're full of hatred, you're hating her, but I would like you to come back together.
Nalobi na boy, noki na kozonga lisusu na boloko.
Nalobi na boy, noki na kozonga lisusu na boloko. And I am saying that I do not want, because if we come back together, I'll again go back to jail. I'll again be jailed.
Balisa Zuani na yo, zongisanga mbongo na boy yao.
Balisa Zuani na yo, zongiza mbongo na boy. You know, please let your Zuani get married to somebody else. Just return my dowry, please.
Likambo ya Zuani baba, botika kakoloba na nga.
Likambo ya Zuani nanga botika koloba na nga. You know, this issue of Zuani, please stop talking to me about it.
Likambo ya Zuani baba, ekanginga matoi na lingite bobo.
Likambo ya Zuani nanga ekanginga matoi na ligi koyokate. You know, this issue of Zuani, I have closed my ears. I do not want to hear anything to do with Zuani again. Then of course we get into that very, very nice 7. And I like what Varkiz Kiamangona Mata does with the saxophone. If you are watching this channel for the first time, remember to hit the subscribe and notification buttons. Now that's Varkiz Kiamangwana with the saxophone. likambo ya Zuani nanga boti kakoloba nanga. You know, this issue of me and Zuani, please do not talk to me about it.
Likambo ya Zuani baba, ekanginga matoi na lingita ngogo.
Likambo ya Zuani nanga ekanginga matoi na lingi koyokate. This issue of me and Zuani, I have closed my ears. I do not want to hear anything about it.
Bokilo na boy
Bokilo na boy. My parent-in-law, I am refusing, and I am rejecting this idea.
Bokilo na
boy, or, you know, my parent-in-law, I refuse, and I reject the idea of me and Zuani ever coming back together. Thank you for watching.